Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from Wix Studio to Wix Editor. All right. So before, all you have to do is just go ahead over to settings, under workspace settings. In this section, you will be able to see not a freelancer or agency. You'll find a find out more button in here or hyperlink. When you click on it, there will be an option to opt out to Wix Studio and start using the Wix Editor. But now the process is different. Okay. Just go ahead over to sites, click on it. You go ahead and create a new site. Wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here at the bottom left, you can go ahead and click on build with the Wix Editor. Okay. Do keep in mind that if you started creating this site in the Studio Editor, it is not possible to switch to the Wix Editor. Okay. So in other words, Wix Studio and the Wix Editor are different website builders. Okay. You cannot directly convert a site built on one builder to the other. Okay, just click on this button and wait for it to load. Then just go ahead and click on setup without chat. If you want to set it up with using the AI right here, you can go ahead and do so. If not, just click on this button. Okay. Another thing to keep in mind that you can access both Wix Editor and Wix Studio sites from your Wix account Sites tab, as I've shown you earlier, before creating a new site using the Wix Editor. Okay, I'm just going to skip this one. As you can see here, it says preparing your dashboard. Just wait for it. Click on Design Site right here at the top. Pick a template. Maybe this one. Edit. Wait for it. And there you have it. Okay. So this is the Wix Editor. This one right here is the Wix Studio. Okay. And there you have it. And that's how you switch from Wix Studio to Wix Editor. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.